It's about that time. It's about that time. Spring, summer, I'm about to hit these streets. I'm excited. You know what it is. You know what it is. It's that time of year where you go out, you travel, go have a beach day, have the breeze blowing through your locks and stuff, showing off all your little cute summertime dresses. It's that time, okay? But if you want to jump into it, you got to be adequately prepared. So I picked up some things that I have in my arsenal for spring and summer 2023, including this hair. Like, who is she? My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and it's that time, okay? It's that time. Sun is shining. I'm ready to hit the streets. I'm ready to travel. All the things. So I picked up a couple of things. Yeah, one don't really fall in the designer category. However, okay, I got it specifically for the spring and summertime and for traveling, right? All right, let me show you. Hold on. Okay, first thing, well, not the first thing. This is not the first thing I got out the haul. Now listen, what makes a haul? Like, is a haul 2, 3 items, more than one item, 5 items? Like, what makes a haul? I don't know, but like, man, this is not. Okay, I'm sorry. This is not a questionnaire find out video. I don't know. But so this is not what I picked up first. But I'm gonna show you first. What's that? Okay. I already know what they is. Not they are. I already know what they is. So I didn't really get into the box. But boom. They are so cute. Okay, wait, let me take the other one out. Listen, these are so cute. Okay, so these are the Timberland Everlay gladiator sandals. Oh my god, when I saw these, so I originally went on the Timberland site because I needed a new pair of Timbs. Okay, mine's has been through a lot. Let's just say that, okay? All right, they was about to file a report on me. They've been through a lot. So I needed a new pair of just the regular Timbs. I'm from Jersey. That's but I needed a new pair, and I saw these. And I was thinking, like, not on hikes. I was about to say hikes. Like, who hiking in these? But, like, you know, on long walks, or maybe like when you exploring a city, or you know, an event in the summertime, these will be stylish but comfortable. Of course, they're in the nubuck color. So in my mind, okay, in my mind, they go with everything. Okay, so I just thought, and then, you know, gladiator sandals, they used to be a thing. I don't know if they still a thing, probably not, but I'm a 90s baby, so they always will be a thing. I just love them, and plus they got a little height on them, and they super comfortable. Yeah, this was a win for me. I got them in a 9.5 because when I read the reviews, everybody saying they ran big and all that other good stuff. I am a true 10, and I got in a 9.5, and they were right. They fit perfectly. If I would have gotten a 10, my normal size, they would have been too big. You know what I'm saying? FYI. Okay, wait, let me tell you how much they cost. Alright, child, why they do this? Alright, I'ma just stop looking, because I'll be making me mad. Okay, I don't, they don't have it, but the color's wheat. What I say, nubuck? But no, the color's wheat, and I think they were $150 or $140. Something like that. But I promise you they weren't over $160. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just do the right thing, and I'm gonna have the right information up on the screen, because if y'all go off of my memory, we all in trouble. All right, and then you won't be in my DMs. Now, Nick, you told me. So I'm gonna just do it right. I'm gonna put the information up on the screen. All right, let's get into the next item. I know what you're thinking, Rakita. Open the box. Okay, no problem. No problem. Open the box. All right. Here we go. Now I'm gonna take look at this. Look inside this box. Look inside this. I'm gonna vent for a minute. All right. Just go ahead, sit down. Sit down and hear me out, cause it's coming. I'm gonna vent for a minute. This is how the box came. This is how it came. Just, well, it didn't come like that. Hold on. With the top, it came like that. But point is, all right, I ain't had no ribbon. I ain't had no tissue. I ain't even have a thank you for your purchase. Okay, just, it came just like this. I digress though. Whatever. All right. Now, in Prada's defense, all right, because I don't need them in my DMs either. Okay, in Prada's defense, I did get them from Nordstrom's. However, it's ridiculous. I mean, I did get them on sale too, so I mean, yeah. All right, fine. We even. Whatever. We even. All right. But these are the shoes. Now, let me tell you, before you go clowning me and be like, ma'am, why you buy them big ass shoes? I got a reason. All right. Here they are. Now, these are called, what they called? Child? Okay, here we go. These are, they don't say nothing but a bunch of numbers. Okay. So, I'm going to say these are the Prada rubber pool slides. Again, if I can find the information, I will put it on the screen. But I got these from the men's department. Right now, they were originally $6.25. I got them for $3.75. Right now, this was my thinking. Okay, and I got them in a size 8. I'm again a true women's size 10, so I got them in a men's 8. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. You know, when we up walking the beach, you know what I'm saying? I got some nice rubber shoes I can just rinse off. Because I don't like sanding between my toes. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I figured, you know, these are closed-toed, but they're still rubber. Just give it a little rinsation, and it's all good. You know, and they got them on sale. So that was the thought behind them. And look, as I'm feeling, because I don't want to lie, Craig. I don't want to lie. They are nice, sturdy leather. I mean, leather, child. Rubber. And they do seem like they are made sturdily. Is that a problem? Probably not sturdily. But they seem like they're going to be very sturdy, long-lasting, thick rubber. You know, not cheap rubber. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say it's not cheap. You know what I'm saying? I know what you're thinking. For $600, what's the original price? For $625, it better not be cheap rubber, but it's not. But I think, obviously I haven't worn them yet, but I think this is a good summertime investment. You know, especially if you like me, because I can't stand getting sand out my toes. I can't. That's annoying. All right, I'll be that person in a whole swimsuit, okay, walking around the beach in sneakers, and then somebody say something. Who gonna check me, boo? So I was like, you know what? I ain't gonna make a scene this year. I ain't gonna make a scene. I'm gonna just go ahead and get me some sand shoes. This is what I'm calling these, sand shoes. Oh wait, I ain't talking about my hair. Okay, so my hair. And this is gonna be the last thing I'm gonna share with y'all. So my hair, so the thought behind this hair, right? So with my natural hair, wash and go, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much work, okay? Too much work, too much product. I can't do it. I can't do it. The way my patience is set up, I can't do it. Especially in the summertime. Like, I can't. My natural hair, I love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But it's a lot of work. Like all good things, it takes time and patience. And I ain't got it. So then you go, you know, for a nice good wig. I got patience for that. However, without a bang, the way I get hot, I'm telling you, the sun could say hi to me and I'm sweating. I can't do it. So I'm like running the streets, going on trips. I ain't trying to worry about my wig sliding back, running from my face, or my glue coming out. Well, I don't use glue, but like, you know, the bond, the got to be, like, anybody has time for that in the summer. So I was like, okay, Rakita. Rakita was like, huh? What do you want? What do you want, ma'am? I said, you know what I want? I want a wig with bangs. Boom. And I found it, and I thought I was cute. I thought I was cute when I tried it on. And I got this from Amazon. Fairly inexpensive. I think it was under $100. Think so, right? But again, like anything, don't believe my memory. Don't believe my memory. Wait till I confirm. Okay, but I believe it was under $100. And the best part, because your girl is not nowhere near a hairdresser, beautician. I don't even know what I'm doing half of the time on my own head. Okay, nowhere near it. So I need something quick, easy, out the box. Give it a little shake. That's all I got. All right. So, cause your friend don't know nothing about her. Okay. So when I got it, that's exactly what I did. Took it out the box, put it on. I put a little bump in it though. Little bump right there. Little bump right there. Get my bangs popping. And I think she was cute. Now I could have did a little more bump the ends, but I ain't going nowhere. I ain't going nowhere where I need to do all that work. Okay, I'm running a couple errands, doing this video. And listen, y'all my friends. Y'all gonna take me as I is. Okay, let's get into this last box. Now, this is from Prada. And it came just like this. Now, this is from Prada. And it came just like this. I ain't getting no ribbon on this one either. Alright? Did I get tissue paper? But I did get tissue paper. Alright? Maybe these don't come with ribbon. I don't know. Let me think. Do it come with ribbon? Yeah, because my headband came with some ribbon. Right? And then my bucket hat. Whatever. Alright. But it did come like this. I don't know why I'm complaining about ribbon. Because I ain't going to do nothing but throw it away. But this is just the presentation. Okay? It's the presentation. Alright. So here we go. Whoa! Okay, let me put this down before I smack myself in the face. Alright, so it was like this, but it fell out. So what is it? It's a visor! Alright, so let me take this out. Now, I got a size large. Right? Now, y'all know I already have a bucket hat like this, but I wanted to get a visor because, like, it's summertime, it's hot. The less material on my head, the better. Right? And then a visor just screams summertime vibes, right? Look, I'm trying not to poke myself in the head. Hold on, how that look? Oh, that's cute. Is it comfortable? Okay, yeah, it's not squeezing my head. Alright. Alright. What y'all think? See? You see what I'm saying? I like this. I like this. I like this. I ain't tried it on when I first got it. I was trying to wait for the video. Alright, I don't want to mess up my little bumps I put in my bang. So this was I think $5.75. I think this was $5.75. So pretty much it's the same nylon material. Just in the visor. What size is my bucket hat? So this is my bucket hat. And so this is a large. I'm putting it on my hand like that. So my bucket hat a medium. Why get a large in my visor? I don't know. Let me see. That's weird, right? Because they both fit comfortably. But my bucket hat is a medium. And my visor. Okay, whatever. It don't matter. They both fit. But just for reference, if you do have both, or if you have the bucket hat and you want the visor, I went a size up. I ain't doing it on purpose. I really didn't, because I just realized this was medium and this was large. However, it works. So just a piece of information, just in case you're in the same boat sailing down the same river on the same side, in the same direction. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my spring summer haul. My designer, kinda designer-ish spring to summer haul, because I got one on sale. So what that mean? That mean it's the same thing. All right, don't get mad at me because I know how to use a coupon. Okay. But hopefully you enjoyed it. If I missed anything or any details that you still have questions about, of course, what a problem ain't no problem. Just go ahead and ask me down in the comments, and I promise I'll get back with the answers if I know them. Child, if I know them. But of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And oh, and obviously, thank you. Like, listen, when I say y'all my friends, all right, thank you so much for all the well wishes, kind words, because y'all know I was under the weather and stuff. I know I was under the weather, you know. Sometimes I have lupus SLE, I told y'all, and sometimes I get flare-ups. You know, I just do what I'm told by my doctor and my husband. Because when I get a flare-up, he just turned into an MD child. He just... But I gotta listen to him. Because if not, it's just easy to listen. But I just want to thank you so much for the well wishes and the patience and all the love sent. Like, y'all right here. Y'all right here. But again, follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, social, like all the places on social media, all the places at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.